Hello everyone, welcome back to Chan DevOps channel. Guys, on this session I'm going to discuss about the networking commands in Linux. So Linux has built up a strong set of networking capabilities including networking tools and that provides and managing routing, virtual networking, network monitoring, DNS and DHCP, bridging and networking troubleshoot. So guys, let's go with the network commands. The first command is hostname. This hostname is used to find it's used to display your mission hostname. So the Chan DevOps is my mission hostname, and we have the flags for this hostname. So if you want to see the subdomain of your host of your server, by using the flag is -d. By using this -d flag, it will display the subdomain of hostname. So as of now I don't have any subdomain for this, so that's why it didn't show anything. And the next flag is -f. -f flag is used to see the fully qualified domain name. If I have the fully qualified domain name means it will disappear. As of now my fully qualified name is Chan DevOps. So and the next one is host config hostname -a. So this -i, it's by using this hostname -y, it's display the IP of my server. And the next command is ping command. So by using this ping command, ping is mostly used to send the packets of information to the user-defined source. By the user-defined source, and if the packet are received, the destination device sends the packets back. So ping can be used in two purposes. One is network connection can be established, and the second one is to check the speed of the connection. So suppose I am going to check with google.com. So it will display its IP address and the packets. So we can see the output, that is it's pinging to the google.com. So if I want to stop this output, means by using Ctrl+C we can easily stop the packets. And the next one is if config -a. If config -a, this command is used to view all networking configurations and settings of my server. So we can see the here IP of the server, net mask, broadcast, ethernet, and all the information of my networking configuration. And if I want to see the ethernet connection of my server is by using if config ethernet o. By using this command I can see the information of my ethernet. And the next command is ns lookup. So this ns lookup, it discovers the host name from IP address, and it discovers IP address from host name. So if I go with ns lookup google.com. So if you see here, means we can see the addresses of google.com. So it's the public IP of this google.com. We can access from this many of IPs of google.com. So guys, and the next one is traceroute. 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 So this traceroute is this command which can show you the path a packet of information takes from your computer to you to one you specify, and it will list out all the routers it passes through until it reaches its destination or fails to, and it is discarded. And the next one is netstat. netstat. This netstat is the one of the most used command in networking. It is used to find the connection between from one host, and it's give the networking statics, and it will display your UDP TCP sockets in your mission. Guys, for regarding this netstat command, I did a separate video for this, because it is the one of the most important command in the networking path in Linux systems. So guys, please follow that, view that video to get the more information of netstat command. So guys, these are the mostly repeated commands which we are using in Linux regarding to network phase. By using these commands, we can easily find out the networking things in Linux servers. So guys, hope you understand the video. Please subscribe my channel, click on the like button and click on the bell button for more videos. Thank you.